Hello, all my YouTube friends. Follow along with us today. I got my right hand man here, or girl, or female. She's going to help me mix up this stuff. Ella's in for everything. It don't matter what it is, cooking, baking, mixing up stuff like this. She'll get her hands in there. She'll do a good job. And we're going to make some beautiful deer jerky. Now, a box of this will mix up 15 pounds of deer meat. And that's what I have. So I'll either use the Mesquite blend or the Hickory. And it's made from High Mountain. That's the brand that carries it. It's really good jerky seasoning. So let's get this. We'll show you what we're going to put in. I put a little extra stuff in it. So we can begin by putting 3 tablespoons of liquid smoke. Then I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Just heap them up. It don't matter. I want it tangy. I like my jerky with just a little tang to it. If you just use the seasoning, it don't have that. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the seasoning now. I'm going to use this Mesquite blend today. Ella, can you open that for Poopa? You dump it all right in there, just right around on top. I'll take that over. You open that one up. They want to cooperate with me. Poopa's fingers are too big to get in there. And I'm too old to use my teeth. I might pull them out, so I got to be careful. All right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add warm water. And what this does is it really makes mixing this up a lot easier. If you just do it cold and dry like it is, because all the blood is run out of it, it's really, really hard to mix up. So make sure you wash your hands good. Wash your hands good. All right. You sure? All right. Get after it then. Poopa might have to give her just a little backup. Now, folks, you could add this whole quart of water if you want to, and I might add more. We'll see how it goes. It increases your drying time some, but it makes your flavoring mixed through the meat so much better if you add. In fact, you can add pretty hot water, as much as you want to stand, and that warms your meat up and makes it way easier to mix up. Getting tired? Not yet.
Cold.
Is it mixing up easy, or you want a little more water?
A
little more water. That'll warm it up some for you. Yep. Take her all the way from the bottom and bring it on top. Now just stop just 1 minute. I want to show something. See this red meat? It has no seasoning in it yet. See how it's already turning brown where the seasoning is? And when it all gets a brown color and there's no red meat like this, then you know you got it evenly mixed. That's how you can tell. If you got any red meat left anywhere when you're mixing it, that's not mixed up. It'll turn colors as soon as you start getting the seasons mixed in it. I'm going to give Ella a little helping hand here. It's all starting to turn color now. You want it all mixed really well. You don't want nobody getting no food poisoning. When we grind deer in the winter, if we shoot a deer, I already weigh them, pre-weigh them at 7.5 pounds per bag. So when I get ready to do it, I don't have to thaw out any more meat than what I want. I know exactly what I'm mixing up. Well, me and Ella got it all mixed up. You can take a look at it, see how it's kind of getting a grayish brown color. So we got her mixed up good. Now this will go into the ice box for this time tomorrow evening. Folks, before we put this in the ice box, I like to cover it with plastic because that keeps it from getting kind of crusty. It'll get kind of crusty on top. You don't have to cover it if you don't want to, but I don't like it getting kind of hard on top, so I always cover it with plastic. Cling wrap. Don't stick to nothing and don't cling to nothing except to each other. There you go. Well, folks, it's been 24 hours since we mixed up our jerky. It's been in the ice box all this time. Ella, take the plastic off of it and take a good look at it, what it looks like. It's got the brownish color to it. So you know it's been seasoned well. This rolling pin, I made wooden washers for it. So when we roll our jerky out, it's all the same thickness, because I used to roll it out and some would be thicker and some would be thinner, and I thought I could do better than that. So I made a couple wooden washers and put on this. So when you're done, it's all the same thickness. I'm going to take out some wax paper here. Lay it down. Then we're going to put as a kid would say, a big gob on there, on the plastic. And you put another one on top. And you just start rolling it back and forth. Now, if you don't have this on here, you can just use a regular rolling pin. You might have a better eyeball than I do. You might be able to roll it out the same. But me, I was having problems with it. In fact, I don't even have enough on there yet. So I'm going to put some more on there. Folks, if you don't want to use a rolling pin and you don't have these washers put on, they do make a regular jerky gun. I got one right here. It'll make round sticks or it'll make flat ones like strips of bacon. But what I don't like about it is, first place, it's hard to clean. But second place is it hurts my hands anymore. You got to keep pumping it all the time. And when the meat's cold, it's hard to pump. And it bothers my hands too bad, so I just quit using it. And I just made this roller so I can roll it out. Now when this is done, here we are. When this is done, you just take this up like this, throw it on there, take your plastic off, your wax paper off, and you got it all the same thickness. But You don't even need these. I done it several years without these, just guessing at it. And that's okay. But these washers made it a lot easier for me. So that's what I did. And that's how it turns out. Well, folks, we're going to roll out enough of these to fill my dehydrator. And when we're done, I put them in a dehydrator. Our temperature goes up to 145. Now, I don't know about all dehydrators. I suppose they're all basically the same. But you want to turn this up on high and get it dried down as soon as possible. So now you want to try to roll out one of these. Just push so hard each way and then keep working with it. Here. All the way to the end. Yep. A little more starch. You might want to push down right here. Let me show you something. Push down. Once you push down like this, that would probably work better for you. And let's go. Okay, let's turn it crosswise now. Actually, this meat, when it's cold, it's hard to press down. There you go. All right, folks, it's about 4:30. So I'll be putting this in the dehydrator at 145. And then I'll check it 10 o'clock tonight. And if I think it's going to be too dry by morning, I'll turn my heat down. Like 120 to, if it's getting further along, I'll just turn it down. Maybe to 120 or 110. And then I'll check it first thing in the morning. And what you want this jerky to be is like, when you pick it up, it'd be like leather. Like it's leathery, you can bend it, but it'll be tough. But you don't want you can cut a piece off like with scissors. Just make sure there's no raw meat in the middle. And just don't overcook it till it gets like bacon, fried bacon. You just want it tough. So you can see if you cut this in the morning and you look at it and it's pink right in the center, then it needs to dry more. And when it ain't, as soon as that's gone, it's ready to go. Well, folks, we're back. The jerky's dry. In fact, I started out with 5. I'm down to 2. That one and that one been on this like ugly on an ape. And I told my daughter, we have to get this filmed or there ain't going to be none left. So what I do, I just take kitchen shears. I'll show you here. You can cut off this. I dried it slower so it don't get crispy. I don't like it crispy. I just do it like that. And you can always give this ugly stuff to people that you don't really like that much, but they expect something. Give them that. I'm joking. And then you keep the pretty stuff for people you like this one. Just do it with kitchen shears. And I roll mine out, if you can see this, 3/8 of an inch. And that's what it comes up with when it's done. But I like it. It's bendable. If you get it too thin, it can get crispy on you. I don't like crispy. It tastes like crispy like potato chips. I don't like that. But this is chewy. It's rubbery. You ain't going to eat it quick. And thank God for that, or I wouldn't have none to show you today because these kids have been on it. That Ella, she likes jerky. Owen likes jerky. So this is the end of our video, and I just want to say thank you very, very much for coming along with us. We appreciate your comments. I really like reading your comments. We try to answer every one of them that we can. And we hope all of you are having a good day, and God bless each and every one of you.